I ended up getting a free side shaft Briggs & Stratton engine 4-horse, free Huskvarna backpack leaf blower out of the scrap pile. This one here is 3.5. They were free. They're in the junk. This one here, it's got compression, it's got spark, just sprayed fluid, starting fluid in it. See if it'll take off. Yeah, did a little something. Shit. I don't know how well you can see that, but you'll hear it. That one runs. Good stuff. There, it's focusing. Yeah, I ended up pulling an engine out of the dumpster, or a scrap dumpster, because I need heads for this riding lawnmower. It's got a valve problem, but I just grabbed heads that had good valves off a junk engine. And then under that engine, there was this one. When I asked my boss about that engine, he ended up telling me that this one here should be a good engine, go ahead and take it. So, ended up getting both those engines, and then this here Husqvarna leaf blower was a customer return. Ended up getting warrantied out. It's missing some parts, but it's got compression. Basically going to need a new carburetor, airbox, coil, tube. Don't need any more projects, but I got them.